She saw that.
Whoop.
That seed.
Oh no, you have everything.
What is that, Naris?
Ew.
Is it pumpkin guts?
No.
What is it?
Hey, what's over there? What's that? What?
No,
Yeah,
don't
is it a
sit
potty?
on it.
Look,
It's not a
look,
potty.
You get some. You get some guts. No.
Oh my god, there she goes.
Don't puke in the pumpkin.
No, that's gross.
See, look. Get the guts. Yeah! Here, put it in the bag. Put it in the bag.
Didn't quite make it. It's okay.
Yeah. The magical seed.
What is it, Daenerys?
Where'd the seed go? Oh, there's a ton on the floor. Not like we're knocking up.
Oh. What is it, Daenerys? Is it you? Is it pumpkin guts? She's picking up the seeds. All she keeps saying is ew.
When I wiped some on her, she was like.
Oh, she goes wiping on my couch. Thanks. You guys are gross. Megan, enough. Just get the guts out of the pumpkin.
Yep. More guts. Come on. One. Second.
More.
We saw Jackass 3D last week.
Yeah.
Aww.
I think I like the second one more, but the third one is
Okay,
so great.
Megan. Let her get a
I like the third one
chance.
because there was
Here, you get some.
more like stunts versus just I'm gonna do something just to gross you out.
Oh no, don't get in the
I mean,
pumpkin!
not to say that wasn't in the movie, but overall it was
Pumpkin?
more stunts than that. You know, the ratio, and I like that a lot.